In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay insurance for bike online. If you want to pay your bike insurance premium quickly without visiting a branch or making calls, doing it online is usually the easiest option. The process is straightforward, but it's still important to review each detail carefully so your payment is applied correctly and your coverage stays active. To begin, visit your insurance company's official website or open its mobile app. Once you're there, log into your account using your policy details. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right insurance policy and avoid any confusion during payment. After logging in, go to the payment section. On most insurance platforms, this area may be labeled something like billing, payments, premiums, or policy services. From there, select your active bike insurance policy, then choose the option that says pay premium or something similar. This will take you to the page where you can review the amount due and move forward with the transaction. Before making the payment, take a moment to verify your policy information. Check your policy number, confirm the premium amount, and look at the due date. This step matters because it helps ensure you are paying the correct policy and submitting the right amount on time. If anything looks incorrect, it's better to stop and double check before continuing. Next, choose your payment method. Depending on the insurer, you may be able to pay with a credit card, debit card, bank transfer, digital wallet, or another online payment option. Pick the method that works best for you, and make sure the account you're using has sufficient funds or available credit to avoid delays or failed transactions. Once your payment method is selected, complete the payment by following the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to authorize the transaction through a one-time code, banking confirmation, or wallet approval. Carefully review everything one last time, then submit the payment securely. After the payment goes through, save your receipt right away. Download the confirmation, print it, or keep a screenshot for your records. This can be very helpful if you ever need proof of payment later. Finally, confirm your policy status. Check that the payment has been processed successfully and that your bike insurance coverage remains active. If the update doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time and then check again through the same website or app. And that's how to pay insurance for your bike online in a simple and secure way.